Dear students, welcome to online virtual classroom of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sreekumar. This class is for 5th standard scholarship students. Let me begin the class.
Dear students, we are continuing with the topic of analogy, where we will be using numbers for testing the intelligence. As I have told you before, various techniques can be used for testing the intelligence. The earlier one was we were using figures. This time it will be by using what we say numbers. So let me take you on to the questions. Again, analogy, numbers will be used. The syllabus carries letters, composite words, numbers, series, alphabets, anything such can be used for checking your intelligence. In this case, you are having numbers. Let me take straight away to the question. Here the question is 17, 102, 20. Then what is next? As you know, your intelligence will be understood how quick and fast you find out the answer for the space given at question mark. For that purpose, you need to find out the relationship between these two. One number is 17, the other is 102, and normal options are multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. All these operations in various format can be used. And this one which is in front of you is comparatively a simpler format of it according to me, because by multiplying 17 with 6 you will be getting 102. In that case, the answer for 20 will be 20 into 6. The answer should be 120. So the answer in this place is 120. Now the interesting thing will be your alternatives will be 110, 130, 120 or something like that. Sorry, it can be to confuse you with but some clue also you will get most of the time. 120, 130, 140. Sometime your answers would be, sometime it will be like you will feel that some other relationship you get and you get a wrong answer. Anyway, in this case the answer is 120. We also got the same answer. Let me move on to the next question. As I told you, this is the answer 120, which I have marked for you. Moving to the next question. Here comes the question. The question is 241, 4124 and 372. What will be next? That is the question. You can pause the video here and start thinking in your own way to get the answer, because I will be explaining very few, and during that time itself you can think of checking your intelligence. 241 and 4124, how these two are related with each other. That is the first thing you have to bring into your mind. 241 and 4124. Direct multiplication with 4 or anything won't get this answer, so this is not the way. Your alternatives I will be giving you, which will give some clue sometime for you. The alternatives for this question, they are given alternatives in the question paper, because this is a question which have come in the question paper in 2019. So alternatives given in that question paper I am copying here, so that it will give some idea about how the answer would look like. The alternative given are 6218, 3214. Okay, in fact I have typed this also. 6148, 6281. These are the alternative. If you think accordingly how the alternative and these are related, you may sometime get a clue about it. One thing is sure that 6 they have repeated 3 times, the answer should go to 6 only. 2 is also common 2 times, so there is a chance like this. Are chance we are saying. 1 8 and 8 1 is put little bit laterally inverted. Anyway, so that means 3 will become 6. That means 2 has become 4. 1 has become 2. In that case, 3 will become 6. 2 will become 4. Okay. Right? Like that we can think in this case. So in that case 2 became 4, 1 became something like that. Is there, you can apply your common sense along with me. I am also thinking along with you. Let me about this for making the space for doing it. 1 second, sorry. Okay, I can delete it now. Deleting this also. For the convenience, I will put these are the alternatives. Some kind of relationship is there between, as I will put it again, 2 became 4, sorry, 2 became 4, so 2 into 2, this will become 6. Okay, if you think it that way. Now if I think 1 became 4, that means the last digit, so 2 into 4, 8. Why? Because I saw here 8, here 8, so 8 can be the 2 into 4, 8. Now the option is 6 and 8 is marked, 21 and 14 here. 4 became 12, into 3 it is, this is into 2, this is into 4, 2, 3, 4. So in that case 7, 4 became 12, 4 became 12 means it multiplied with 3 and 1 multiplied by 4. So here 7 should be multiplied with 3, so it will become 21. So this is the answer, right? 7 multiplied by 3, 21. So what happened here? First digit multiplied by 2 here. So first digit here is multiplied with 2, you get 6. Second with 3, you will get 21. Third with 4, you will get 8. 6218 is the answer. Some questions will take time like this. We have to apply or provide extra time to solve the situation. So my dear students, nothing is ready-made in this world. You have to work hard in order to get the idea about how to solve this kind of situation. Let me move to next question. 6218 is the answer. Here comes the next question for you. 8, 504 and 6 what? You can start thinking. 8, 504 and 6 to what? We have to find out the relationship between 8 and 504 first. 8 and 504. What is the relationship? Alternatives may help us sometime, most of the time, not sometime. These are the alternatives. Everything starting with 2, so 2 is guaranteed. I use this kind of technique because time is very important here. You cannot go line by line how we write a maths exam. 2 is sure, no other similarity. Okay, 6 should become 200 something, 8 became 504. Okay, good. How 8 became 504 is a big question. Eight became 504. It's a big issue here. How can we solve this? That is a question. 8. Sorry. Eight square is 64. No connection with 504. Right? And number should be 8 square is 64. 64. Okay. I'm getting some clue here. If 64 is multiplied with 3, no, nothing happens. It's not like that. Five 0 4 5 plus 4 9. Something related with 9 will work out. Eight into 63 is 504. Well, from 63 came by subtracting 1 from this. Right? If it is like that, it should be 6 square, which is equal to 36. 36 minus 1 is equal to 35 into 6. 210. There is an answer 210 here. That means the answer is 210. I will explain once again to you. Okay, so this is it. I got it. I am sharing this with you like this. Why? Because you should understand the thinking process, how to think and approach. Sometimes we take clue from the answers given. Sometimes we start it from scratch. What actually did was the relationship between 8 and 504. When I thought for a long time, I could get a relation that 8 into 63 is equal to 504. Then I tried for 63, then I wrote instead of 63 8 square minus 1. So 8 into 8 square minus 1. So 6 into 6 square minus 1. That is 6 into 35. That is 210. That way the answer is, my dear students. Good. Mil gaya. We'll go to the next question. Here comes next question. What is the question? 392748451845, and what is next? These are the options. Relatively same. 3900, 4800, 1800, 2000 something is answer. Now the question is how to find out the relationship between these two. 3 became 39274845. Not an easy job. 3925. Is there a simple subtraction? No. that is not 3927. 3 became 4, 9 became 8, 2 became 4, 7 became 5. Very good, easy clue. 3 became 4 because 1 added, 9 became 8 because 1 subtracted, 2 became 4 when 2 added, 7 became 1 subtracted. I don't know whether this is a method. So 1 plus 1 will become 2, 8 minus 1 will become 7, 4 plus 2 will become 6, here it is, plus 1, 5 minus 2 will become 3. It is there, it is there, it is there. That means it was comparatively easy. Just I connected each digit with the digit in the given option. 3 plus 1, 9 minus 1, 2 plus 2, 7 minus 2. Okay, so this way we could solve it. Good. One more sum I will explain to you so that you will be in a position to work yourself in your own way, in your own. So this is the answer. We will go ahead. This was comparatively quick. Now let me move on to the next. Here is the next question where you are having 36, 10 and 27 something. And we need to find out the relationship between 36 and 10. Not so easy to find out because I spent a lot of time to find out the relationship. Ultimately I could see that it is 6 minus 3 which is equal to 3, then 3 square plus 1. I am giving the answer directly, but it was not easy for me. I did a lot of practice on this, then I got it. This is a question which had come in the question paper. In that case, this is a square before that, 6 minus 3. 7, in that case, if we apply the same common sense, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, and 5 square plus 1, which is equal to 26. So 26 can be the answer. But if anybody thinks that is as it is done 3 square plus 1, here done 3 square plus done. This 10 can be obtained in another way also. As I told you, I also spent 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3 square plus 1 is equal to 10. That is what is given. Right? If we are applying 3 square as 3 into 3 multiplied with 3, so there is an option that instead of 5 square, 5 into 3 plus 1, which is equal to 16. So 16 also can be answer, but this is the answer expected. If a child writes 16, board may decide that okay, there is a possibility. I would like to tell that in such a way that as you multiply, when you think 5 square, then it should be, when you think 3 square here, it should be 5 square here. If you are thinking 3 into 3, it should be 5 into 3, not in the form of square, then it is 16. So the probably two answers, both answers will be getting marked, but according to me you should write 26. Okay, so my dear students, these are some questions related to intelligence test analogy using numbers. Anything such can be useful for checking the intelligence. Be very sure that you open up your intelligence domain and practice maximum and get maximum mark. Thank you.